Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "He Tried Arresting a Police Officer." Man, oh man, I don't get why people like faking cops. You know what I mean? Just go take the test. All right, let's get into it.
Cocoa Beach Police Department.
I've seen you many times.
Yeah. I noticed you're out with a Publix shopping cart right now, pushing it around.
I own Publix.
You own Publix?
I do. John Carney, you can call him and ask.
Oh, okay.
I own the building I stay in.
Oh, okay.
I own most of Cocoa Beach.
Okay. Well, let me see your driver's license, please.
I don't have to show you anything. I don't even have a license, and I've talked to you assholes. Is this on?
It is.
Great. Yeah, I've talked to you assholes.
I'm going to be out with a 13P at the beach end of First South. Can I get 94? Yeah, I'm listening.
Well, I listen. I'm a cop.
Okay.
Private citizen.
Okay.
Understand? So shut up while I'm talking.
Okay, man. Well, you don't got to say shut up, right? I'm having a professional adult conversation.
I could make a citizen's arrest right now if you harass me with this guy.
Okay. Hey, do me a favor. Just stand over there for me. All right?
All right. Now, I've told you once before.
Step over here.
Actually, many times. Tell me what to do.
Step over here.
No.
All right.
Now, listen. My ID and everything I own is in Miami. Stolen by a meter maid.
I apologize. First North.
Stolen by a meter maid.
I know it's only like a minute and whatever, a couple seconds, and I paused it already. I know, I'm sorry. But I must say, the first minute, this ain't gonna end well. I can already tell. This ain't gonna end good.
A tow company called Beach Towing.
Okay.
Now, they have my driver's license, my social security card, my birth certificate.
Okay.
Everything else that I own. But I'm able to trade psychically. So I own everything here. I even own this guy. So if you guys want to haul me in for questioning about my cart that I've already talked about many times.
Okay.
It's a beach cart.
Okay.
It's a beach cart. You can approach Publix if they decide they want to press charges against me for owning Publix and having my own beach cart.
Okay.
Let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to walk away right now and just...
Well, no, you're not going to walk away. You're not allowed to walk away.
What are you going to do about it?
All right. You're not allowed to walk away.
What are you going to do about it?
All right.
You going to tase somebody?
Get down on the ground right now. Get down on the ground. Get down on your knees right now.
Absolutely not.
All right?
Absolutely not.
Get down on your knees like I've asked you to do.
You have no probable cause.
I tried to do this the easy way. We'll do it the hard way. All right? All right? Now get down on the ground.
I'm not getting
all right,
on the ground.
you are getting down on the ground.
Don't touch me. You're assaulting me.
All right,
you're under arrest. You're under arrest. You're assaulting me. You're under arrest.
All right.
I'm arresting you right now as a private citizen. You're under arrest.
This guy's a
16
nut job.
I'm going to have a male detained.
I'll know everything about you by the end of the day. No probable cause to arrest me. You have no right to put handcuffs on me. No reason to put me in cuffs.
I sure do.
You don't have to put your gloves on. What are you going to do? An oral check? You're going to shove your hands up my ass? What's the gloves for, motherfucker?
All right, sir.
You're right here. You're like over with.
Sir.
Don't touch me.
Come on, bro. Put a pause on that, bro. You talking flagrant, bro. What you gonna do with the gloves? Put a pause on that. Put a no diddy something. Do something, bro. No diddy, like say something, bro. Cause that sound flagrant. You hear me? Like, yo, what are you doing? What are you talking about, bro? This guy's a bug out.
All right, sir. I am Officer Stanley, Cocoa Beach Police Department.
Who you are.
I stopped out with you because I had reasonable suspicion that you were in possession of a stolen shopping cart.
You have absolutely
That is a legal Florida state statute.
Fuck you, asshole.
I stopped out with you.
I'm at Publix every morning. I own Publix.
I recognize the guy.
You're trying to arrest the owner.
Spontaneously uttered. So I am now telling you I want your ID.
Spontaneously uttered?
A spontaneous utterance is an exception to the hearsay rule of evidence. They are statements spontaneously made relating to a suspect's guilt, and under the rules of evidence, they tend to be easily admitted in court.
You are going to tell me what your ID is, or we're going to have additional charges for resisting and failure to ID. All right? Are you going to give me your ID, sir? Let's take him back to the PD and see about we'll search him when we get to my car. He may have his wallet. If not, we'll get rapid ID intel. Do we know who he is? Have we field interviewed him before?
I don't think so.
Have you and Strange been out with him?
I have not, no, sir.
All right. All right? Good deal. Let's take him to the car. All right? We'll search him there. I tried to do this the easy way, sir, but you decided to do it the hard way.
God, you watch too much movies, motherfucker.
Well, that's the first thing you've said that is correct.
Hey, my cart and all my personal belongings are right over there. I want my stuff.
Well, first of all, we're going to get your stuff. Second of all, I'm going to return the shopping cart back to Publix. So that's going to happen.
I want all my stuff.
We're not worried about that.
Don't touch me.
All right? I am going to touch you, and you are going to let me touch you. I am going to play this game for you.
Get your hands off me right the fuck now.
Yo, young boys is, yo, what's going on with this video, bro? Yo, cop, yo, put a pause on that, bro. Yo, I'm gonna touch you and you gonna let me hey, yo, what? Yo, no Diddy, bro. Yo, this video here, I don't know what y'all got going on in Florida, bro. But this video here is a whole pause, bro. This is crazy. This is foul, bro.
You motherfucker. I told you, get your f***ing hands off me!
You can keep
piece of shit.
You can do this the easy way or the
You! Fuck you, you're breaking my f***ing rights! I'm a private citizen, motherfucker! I'm a Navy SEAL, you're f***ed.
I thought you were a Navy SEAL.
I'm a cop, you guys
Are we?
You're that too.
Sir, I'm trying to be nice.
You!
All right, I'm not going to say another word to you. Let me switch sides real quick.
Yep.
We'll get all this jewelry off when we get...
You!
Easy, man.
Do
Calm
not
down.
turn toward
Don't f***ing touch me,
in
motherfucker!
a manner.
You!
No, hey, calm down.
You!
Why are you
Get the f*** off me,
You're the only one screaming.
What are you,
man.
f***ing gay? F***
screaming?
you, motherfucker! You!
Hey, easy, easy.
Calm down. Relax. Relax.
Get your hands off me,
All right, spread your feet for me, sir. Get a wallet on him.
Get your hand off my balls!
All right, in the car we go. Can I get you to grab that cart and wheel it to me over here?
Where's that at over
It's see the bushes, see the white beach parking sign?
You're f***.
It's behind that sign. It's behind that bush that's on that sign.
to this guy?
He's walking, he's rolling down. He's got a clear Publix shopping cart.
Oh,
So,
how you doing so far?
you know Carlo, he's one of our ride-alongs.
Hey.
He's going to the academy next week. So I wanted to identify the guy. I know we've been having some calls with him and some other things.
Okay.
I wanted to see about getting Publix their cart back, but he decided to take it another way. He darn near committed assault. He stepped towards me.
He did commit. So I saw it from over here.
Oh, you did see him step up and
That's why I turned my lights
Now
on.
he did this when I pulled my taser because I taser displayed first to make sure, you know, mainly for Carla's safety.
Hey, if y'all ain't catch that, y'all better catch that, man. For those of you guys that want to be like the brother that's going, you know, into the police thing and stuff like that. I know most of the people that watch this video are probably maybe, I don't know, cop haters or whatever, like whatever. But, you know, for the guys, if y'all peep that, he said, yeah, he almost assaulted me, right? You know what I'm saying? And then the other cop, his boy, said, yeah, he did. I seen it from when I was over there. Y'all peep what's going on here? Yeah, you know, and that comes when you start acting like an a-hole, man. You get other charges put on you. You know what I'm saying? Is it right? Is it wrong? Hey. But did you peep what he said, though? You peeped the motion.
Since Carlo, you know, trying to not get Carlo to have to jump in, you know.
I think this was very...
So
I saw it. I was over here.
I'm going to go back and watch my body
I saw it
camera.
go like that.
Yeah, I think he stepped towards me, and
I was like,
you saw it as well.
Yeah.
Would you be willing to give me an affidavit? I know that's not what you thought you would do today.
You asked me to.
I wanted
yeah.
you just because you're my liability. Yeah.
Oh, he good with the
Hey,
boys
Carl.
now. Fuck you. He good.
Really, I just wanted to identify the guy, but he's obviously a little signal 20, which is probably not his fault, but you know, I don't know. Now I'm gonna go review my body camera before I charge him with the assault, but I definitely, but I know based on what he just said and what you saw.
Oh, clear as day.
You know, because even after I decided to put the taser away because I thought I can go hands on,
He went like this.
he still walked towards me.
He went like that. I saw it.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's why I turned my lights on. I was like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, he did that because he wanted me to tase him.
Right.
Which is totally the circumstances. Nah, I didn't think I needed to, so I put it away. You know, I just thought it would have been a little excessive. But because I had my ride along, I felt a need to protect and make sure his safety, if anything else, you know.
Well, he definitely has a thing for tools and knives.
Yeah. Here's what I got, Coop. We're on the other side of the building watching traffic enforcement.
Sir.
I see the gentleman come by. So he comes by with the shopping cart, and we've been getting some calls over the last few weeks about people yelling and impeding traffic and yelling. So more than anything, I just want to identify him. I have reasonable suspicions he's in possession. I saw him with the shopping cart. He left the shopping cart to come to the beach.
And it's clearly
I confirmed I had the green, but then I confirmed the logo before I made contact with him. I actually made a consensual encounter at first, but then asked for his ID, expletive. He actually stepped toward me like he was going to do something, and that's when I asked Carlo to stand back about 20 feet. And being that I had a ride along, I went taser display.
Balled up fist and everything?
He had balled up fists, took a step towards me. I went taser display, but then I was I was this close to him about me to Carlo. I thought a taser would be excessive, so I put it back in and went hands-on with no, but after I went taser on, he took another step towards me. I grabbed him, and then there was no resisting after that.
I saw when he went like this because I was over here.
All right.
I saw the
other beachcombers coming and going. He has no injuries. Like I said, it was just display.
How you doing, partner? My name is Sergeant Cooper. I'm the shift supervisor. Are you okay? Do you need any medical attention? Are you going to answer any questions? I just want to make sure that you're all right. Okay. I believe the taking of a shopping cart is a felony.
I'll have to look. I know it's at least a misdemeanor.
No, I think what they...
Oh, it's possession of it is the misdemeanor. If I had probable cause that he took it, it would be a felony. You're right.
I'll look it up.
Go ahead. I appreciate it, boss. You want to just dump it all in the bike impound and I'll deal with it when I'm done?
Yeah.
I think that's the best thing to do.
I'm going to have to stay with you just in case he gets a little...
Yeah, you'll have to follow me there. Yep. Can we all lift it, make it easier on everybody?
Yeah, let me put it up.
Here. Dang, baller move, boys. Here, I got you. Hang on. All right. Thanks for getting here so quick. I just had decided, let's put the taser away and go hands-on because I knew you were close. And
yeah, once the time goes, I turn my lights on.
Well, it's because he was begging me to tase him, and that's another reason why I decided not to do it. Because I felt like, you know what, I'm not going to play that game. He's wanting to be a martyr and whatever it is.
Well, should he just direct transport? Okay, we can't take the cuffs off this guy.
No, we can't. It's going to be a fight. Yeah, Yeah, that's a good idea. Can you take my ride along back with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, Coop, I need to direct transport because there's not going to be getting any cuffs off.
No, I would direct transport.
Yeah. So my ride alongs are going to go with Javi now. Is that okay?
Huh?
My ride alongs are going to go with Javi. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I didn't know if ride alongs are allowed to go to the jail. I didn't think so. Carlo, man, I'm sorry. Our time has ended. I'll be back as soon as I can.
I get to see those things.
He's going to be your tour guide now.
Okay.
All right.
Misdemeanor theft.
Okay.
$200.
Okay.
They order the shopping carts in bulk, and it roughly comes to about $200 a pop.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
It used to be that they were $800.
I remember that. They could be, and that's what would have made it a felony.
Yeah.
Interesting. They're buying in bulk these days, I guess, huh?
Yeah.
Liar. God damn you. Bear false witness against Jesus, you know what comes after. So, as long as you understand that, I don't have a problem with it.
Just trying to do my job, man. You won't tell me who you are, so I'm just having to look
You're
at the guy.
a f***ing idiot. You shouldn't have this job. I'll make sure you lose it. I'll do everything for the rest of my life to make sure you lose every single thing you have. You have my worth. You have my worth on that.
This suspect was charged with simple assault, resisting, and possession of stolen property. The officer still has his job and hasn't lost even one single thing since the incident.
That ride along had a good day, man. Good day, man. It's always a good time when, you know, the trainees get to actually see some action, and, you know, it's just not a boring day.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.